review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all things which require present photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.